Hello?
Hello? Sis, sakit ng tiyan ko.
Ginagawa mo, ano bawal mo kinain?
Ano, ulam na natin kagabi, adobo. May kiss pa naman ako ngayon. Samahan mo ako magpa-check up, please. Makapal na lang ako.
O sige, samahan kita.
Sige. Bye.
A few moments later.
Brian, mabigat.
Morning po, ma'am, sir. How can I help you today? So you can take a seat. So I'm your pharmacist for today. I am Jake Camacho po. So you're here for patient counseling, right?
Yes.
So can I have the So are you Mr. Roberto? And this is your sister. Okay. You're diagnosed for acid reflux disease, is that right?
Yes po.
Then, your medications po are omeprazole, 40 milligrams na capsule. Then, you'll take it for 2 weeks. Then, ranitidine, 150 milligrams na for 1 week naman po. So, yung sakit nito is acid reflux disease na po. Okay. So, do you have history po sa hypertension, diabetes?
Wala na.
Okay. Do you take other medications for vitamins?
Wala na.
Then, do you have allergies for seafood, peanuts? Wala. So, yung medications nyo po ay merong certain side effects. For omeprazole po, meron siyang nausea and vomiting, pagkahilo at pagsusuka. And then, meron din other stomach problems such as flatulence, kaba, at diarrhea pagkatay. That's normal naman po. Okay? So, for ranitidine po, meron, ganun din po, nausea and vomiting, pagkahilo at pagsusuka. Pero, meron po siyang drowsiness, which is nakakapa-antok po siya. Okay? So to summarize po ulit, you will take omeprazole po every morning, 30 minutes before breakfast, yung capsule po. And then, tablet na ranitidine at before bedtime. Before bedtime po siya dahil nagkakos nga po siya ng drowsiness, makaantokin po kayo. And then, dapat po 14 lang po yung ma-intake yung omeprazole for 2 weeks na yun. Huwag po kayong susobra doon. Tsaka alalahanin po siya every day. And yung ranitidine nyo is for 1 week lang po. So, 7 tablets lang po siya. Yung capsule po is yung omeprazole ay po yung sa umaga. Capsule sa umaga. And then, tablet po sa gabi. Mura din. And can you ulit sa akin if you really understand?
Yung omeprazole po, inamin ko siya every day. One capsule every day. 30 minutes before breakfast po. And then yung ranitidine naman po every night bago matulog. For 7 days.
Ate, pwede pong pakiulit yung medication po para sa kapatid para magaya niyo po siya.
Yung omeprazole po, every morning before breakfast, 30 minutes before breakfast, tapos 14 days po niya inumin. Yung isa naman po, ano po yung isa ulit?
Ranitidine po na tawag.
Ano naman po, before bedtime, 7 days.
May question pa po ba? Iyon lang naman po. So, patanda na lang po na in-effect medications everyday. That's it. So, okay na po tayo. Wala na po ibang tanong. So, okay na po yung yung form nyo. I-claim na lang po sa harap ng counter yung medications.
Thank you po.